I'm definitely going to die here.
Welcome
Aren't I?
to
Probably.
my third in the series of finding your tools, Far Cry 6, Lost Between Worlds. In the challenge to get all three of our tools added to our arsenal without having to return any rifts. The first step was to get the Fractal Bomb. Check out my video to show you how to get the Fractal Bomb. Once you have the Fractal Bomb, then you can get the Rift Key. Check out my video for finding the Rift Key. Having these two in hand, we are now ready to go get the grapple hook. And the grapple hook can be easily acquired in the Stormrunner Rift that we get to through the maze and through the Fractured Fortress. Point of recommendation is that in the maze, once you have the key, you can get the enhanced shotgun, as you see I have here. Where it is, there. So that's the enhanced shotgun. And then on my way to the Stormrunner, here at the very beginning, once the electricity has killed off the chickens, wait for the next set of electricity to go through. Straight ahead is a place to pick up the standard sniper rifle.
The cover should protect
We
me.
come in here and pick this up.
Oh no, finally.
Useful to get through this level to have it. Then we come out this side door. We came right in the front door. We go out here to the left side door. Took a quick U-turn around, and here is a locked door. Open this up, and as you can see, here is another secret box.
I know how to use this. Time to get climbing.
We got the grapple. So now with these three tools in place, we can make our life much easier in all of the rifts and give us some free exploring without having to first get a shard or a couple of shards to get us these tools. Quickly go to our arsenal, and you can see that now we have the grapple kit, the Fractal Bomb, and the Rift Key, and we can explore at our leisure. Have any questions, drop me a note, subscribe so you can see me follow through some of the other videos for Far Cry 6 and for Far Cry 6 In Between Worlds. Drop me an email or a comment should there be something else that you want to see. So now we have all three tools and we can head forward through our adventures.